What's worse than spending hours searching for the perfect icon, illustration, or even 3D asset? After all of that, finding one that you love and realizing it's low quality or has a weird licensing issue. Today, I'm going to save you from that nightmare. I'm going to show you how to use IconScout and the platform trusted by top designers, developers, and creators to get beautiful ready to use assets for your projects in minutes. So, let's jump into it. First things first, a little background about this. IconScout was founded in 2016 by a group of designers in India who were tired of messy, inconsistent design resources. It quickly exploded in popularity, and today it's owned by Lutify, the leaders in lightweight motion graphics. Icon Scout now has over 4 million assets, including icons, illustrations, 3D elements, and even Lottie animations. All high quality, all super searchable. So, let's jump into it. So, first thing that I love, so first key features of this Icon Scout website is their massive asset library, like icons, Lottie animations, 3D assets, illustration kit, tools, AI generator freebies. There are lots of things. Even every one of them has a different type of thing. Like if I go to this icon, there are icons, SVG editor stickers, even Unicorn's icon font library. They have a massive library, to be honest. And if I search anything here, like yes, you picture and select the icon, as you can see, it has a ton of collection in the library. And another cool thing I like about this features is this website is the, just imagine you want some black and white or the other color palette. You can just create a new one according to your liking, just like that, and use that icon. Even if you want the style, you can even change the style. Like let's select line and let's see. As you can see, line only lines one came. And if I want the colored outline, as you can see, colored outlines have over this. See, now it's giving me the glyph one. Even gradient, dual tone, rounded, isometric, doodle sticker. There are lots of customizations however you want. You can use it by adding your own color palette or selecting any of these pre-made ones. It's up to you. It's not only for icons, illustrations, 3D 3D assets, Lottie, millions of them from free to premium. So the key feature number 2 of this website is super fast search. Like you can filter by style, license, color format, and even the animated versus static. Let me show you that. Like let's search club. So as you can see, it has given me some 3D ones. These are all 3D, but these are not 3D. And I have selected the all assets. If I want only 3D illustrations, it will show me those. As you can see, all of these are 3D. If I just download the Blender file or GLB, and that's it. All of these are 3D model. If I want only animations, I'll just have to click to this Lottie animation, and as you can see, there are tons. Yes, there some of them are paid, but free ones works just fine as that. So you don't actually have to buy the premium one, but always the premium option has everything. If you want no limitations on your works, you should buy the premium. It's worth it. But don't be worried. We'll get to that in a moment. And if you want only icons, which is static, you will also get them. Even they have the illustrations, I mean the AI files, Illustrator. The third key feature of this website is plugins for design tools. Icon Scout plugins for Sigma, Adobe XD, Sketch, and Microsoft apps. Let you drag and drop assets without even leaving your workspace, which is actually nice. Now, recently it has related this, the illustration kits. As you can see, it has released some new. So this one, all of these are paid, so do. But if you want to do little simple anime here, you can use this as your liking. Fourth key feature of this website is the customizable assets. Let's search something. Many icons and illustrations are customizable. You can change colors, sizes, and download in different various formats. Let me show you. Here, if you want to change the color palette, you can easily change that. Even if you have the paid version, you can also change the icons, as you can see, auto apply. And just in case you don't like the color palettes they are providing, just create a new one as your likings, or you can generate a color palette with the ChatGPT. That's also easy as well. Yeah, that goes for the apps. Now let's see some illustrations, how you can change them. I'll just select this one. As you can see, it's also pretty simple. Like, just change the color palette as you're liking. Yeah, this one looks good. Let's create a new one here. Yeah. I'm not any expert in graphics designing, so if you found this confusing, I'm really sorry. I don't know anything about graphics designing. I'm just doing it. I know I will make our color palette, but I'm just testing. That's it. Yeah, where is this? As you can see, it's literally, so you get the point. I mean, that's how you can edit with this, and you can change the color, sizes, and even download in multiple formats like PNG, SVG, PS, and some files. You will have the Illustrator file that will directly import to your Adobe Illustrator in different formats on the spot. You can download all of these if you want. Since everything is coming to AI, also this website has some cool AI features like 3D illustration, background remover, vectorizer, illustration generator. So we'll start with this. I'll just simply a man riding a bicycle. Wait, I'll just select the character and let's see what's it can generate. It should generate 3 models, but it has generated only 2. Last one says it has failed. Okay, I mean, as a free user, I can understand, since most of the AIs are paid. It's generating free, which is good quality, to be honest. So let's see the background remover. How does this work? Wait a minute. Where was my generations font history? I'll just download this. It's not even that hard to remove the background. But let's see. Let's select that file and let's see how the remove the background, and wait a little bit. As you can see, it has removed the background, but didn't do the perfect work. Didn't do it perfectly. So it needs a little bit more work. And there are some pretty other tools which is not that important for basic users, like this one is PDF to doc converter. This is the SVG editor, and it has some desktop apps for this website, Windows or Mac, whatever you want. Illustrator editor, like the one I said already. So now a quick side note. IconScout is part of the broader creative assets economy, which is booming. The digital design resources market is expected to grow beyond $12 billion globally by 2027. And with AI helping creators build faster, platforms like IconScout, especially with 3D animated assets, and positioned to grow even faster. Learning to use tools like this smartly is a huge advantage, whether you're a freelancing, building apps, creating content, or running an agency. All right. Now you know how to stop wasting time and start building projects like that actually stand out. If you got value from this tutorial, drop a like so YouTube knows we're doing something right here. And there is another website called Flat Icon. It also has some pretty good features. If you want me to compare both of these websites, just let me know in the comments and I'll boom with the next video. And hey, if you want me to show you how I speed up my design workflows even more, maybe even the full tool stack, let me know in the comments. Until next, stay creative, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.